Alright guys, so this is the video for today. I will not let this intro go on any longer, but this hair is from, so my phone is from JSBeauty fashion on Instagram. I am gagging. Let me show you guys the hair, what the hair looks like straight out the pack, boo. This is my Instagram. That's what it looked like, just straight out the pack. Look at it. Yo, I'm gagging. Do you see how full that is? I cannot believe it. My feet, see, I can't move. Phone screen going. It fell. It did a mash up from wind, but then it fell. I can't even like. So I tell Jeremy that I can drop it back on the floor and see if it will recoup. But yeah, so this is the video for today. I will not keep it because I went on a little bit of spiel about this hair. Who makes them like this anymore? This is rare. This is the hair I used to get when I used to do YouTube videos. This is rare. This hair will easily last you 2 to 3 years. Easily. But I'm not gonna go no more JSBeauty fashion. I'm not gonna go no more. So enjoy the video, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair in its natural state. I did not put any wands to this. I did not curl it prior to. I just took the hair up the pack and I just made the wig. The baby hairs are really long, but I can work with it. It is a closure, and as I said before, I am gagged. I am just completely, what is this curl? Like, wow. And the oh wow. So let me just put this on. Alright, so just made it into a center part. I love how center parts look. So I'm just gonna put this out the way and then continue with the video. So I'm just going to be doing a really quick foundation routine. Nothing too technical, just foundation and lashes is basically what I'll be doing. So yeah. Alright, you guys, this is the natural curl of the hair. So I have my curling one, as you guys saw, and I just bumped the closure because the closure doesn't have the same curl density, so it's not as curly as the bundles. Oh my god, I am completely blown away by the quality, the sheer quality of this hair. This is 14 inches. This is not even coming off as 14. This is like some 16-inch, type of sorcery. You know what I mean? Like, this is not even 14. It's coming off as like 16 or whatever. I love doing the side part. So let me see if I can get some side part action going right now for you guys. Well, more for me than for you guys. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of side parts. Look at, and I'm just finger combing it, and the curls are staying. They're not falling flat. You know how beautiful that is? You guys, I am in love. It is extremely soft. Okay, so if you're an OG subscriber, or like if you're watching me and you do hair reviews, if you used to do hair reviews back in the day, like, this is that hair. This is that hair. It is so full. The wefts are really thick, so I got almost no shedding. And I mean, for all the years I've been doing videos, it's been a while since I've gotten a hair that has almost no shedding whatsoever. I did an Instagram story and I was just flabbergasted. I was like, bruh, the quality on this hair. And I even wrote the owner I even wrote the owner and I was like, Mama, you have no idea the quality of your own hair. Like you don't know what you're doing to me. She's like, yo, I only sell the best. I'm like, boo, this is like premium hair. Now I've gotten good hair in the past, you know, from different hair companies, from the AliExpress companies, and I'm telling you, this is behaving like raw virgin hair. Look at the curls. I have not curled the bundles. I just put some one curls in the closure, but as for the bundles, I have not touched the bundles. And it's all I do, and I just take it off. Look at how quickly that curls up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I am in love. You guys, oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm completely in love. And I know this video would have gone this direction, me just blabbing about the hair, but look at it. Look at those. Look at the ringlets. What the hell is that? Bruh, yo, I won't lie to you. Like, I really hope we get to work together again. Cause quality. Yo, I'm over here looking like a whole mom. Like, how is this 14 inches? How is this 14? Look, you guys, this is all the hair pulled to the front. Oh my god, I am just, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I absolutely tangle free. Oh my god. So this is their Brazilian wavy. They're having a sale now. Their hair is the best quality hair I've ever gotten from any company in years. So now the other hairs, they're good quality, amazing quality, but this is like, it's like up there. Oh my god. And because I haven't reviewed the hairs like this in a long time, I'm just like, oh, I remember you. I remember you. So I did not cut the baby hairs at all, and the baby hairs are behaving quite nicely, like little bangs. I don't mind that at all. No snagging, no tangling. 14 inches. I should have gotten 12 for it to be like this. I wanted it to be shorter. 14 inches. I'm gagging, Jay. I am gagging. I cannot believe. You guys, worth every penny. Every penny. Every penny. Every penny. Every penny. Look at that. And it's so full. Oh gosh. So I'm wearing 3 bundles. Yes, 3 bundles on the closure, and the bundles aren't long at all. They're short. They're on the shorter side, and I was worried that I will not be able to finish the hair because of how I started out sewing it too close together, because I'm accustomed to the bundles being longer. But this isn't that long. It isn't longer at all, but it's still full. Is their Brazilian wavy, their top selling hair, high quality hair. Oh my gosh, if she sells Mongolian, I can only imagine what the Mongolian is like. Look at me. You guys, this is it for this video. I am flabbergasted. I'm blown away. I really hope this is not my last time working with her, because yo, like, Lorraine, what are you doing to me? This, my makeup probably mashing up. Lorraine, this is everything. I really hope you know that. I really hope you know that you have like amazing high quality hair. I hope you understand how surprised I am just by this. And I mean, this video may not go with some of you guys like, oh my gosh, lyric, whatever, just get to the point. But I'm surprised. Is that gonna find a good man? And I'm like, guys, this is my boyfriend, Jermaine. I just didn't know that there are men like that anymore. Oh, Oh, baby, I'm sad. And just meeting him, and you know, we've gone out. You know, he didn't even try to kiss me. Ooh, so I kissed him. Oh, yeah, it's that. It is very, very that. Girl, you. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what body weight is supposed to look like. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm done. This is it for this video. I'm done. I am done. I'm done. I'll talk to you on the next one. Mwah. Gagging. Gagged.